There are two methods available to check JAMB result. The first method is checking through SMS, where you're going to get the notification of the result, but you will not be able to print it. And the second method is checking through the JAMB portal, where you'll be able to check, download, and print your results. The results usually made available first through the SMS method, where candidates can check their results and get the notification of results on their phone via SMS. So in this video, I'll be discussing with you how to check your JAMB result via SMS method. Or maybe you have been trying to check, you have sent the message for a couple of times now, but you have not gotten the notification of results. Then this video is for you, because I'm going to talk about how you're going to check the result via SMS if you don't know, and also if you know but you have tried to check but you couldn't get the SMS. So let's dive into the video proper. Before I proceed, don't forget to like this video, because your like for this video will go a long way to help this video reach a large number of people to benefit them as well. This problem always occurs every year, where some candidates will be trying to check their results, but they will not get the notification of results. That is, they will not get the SMS after sending the message. Now, if you don't know how to check the result at all, let me take you through how you are going to check it. If you want to check the result via SMS, all you need to do is to type UTME result on your phone and send it to 55019. You type it on your phone using the SIM card that you use for the JAMB registration, and 15 naira will be deducted from your balance. After the deduction of the 15 naira, then you will receive your result via SMS on your phone. In summary, how to check the JAMB result on your phone is just to send UTME result to 55019 or 66019. Then you will receive your result on your phone after 15 naira has been deducted. So in case you have done this maybe even for a couple of times now, but you have not gotten the results notification on your phone, here are the solutions to your problem. These are the things that we have tried and we have seen that it's working, or let me say they are working. The first thing is to try to check the results on small phone. You know, we have small phone and we have smartphone. So instead of using a smartphone, you can try on small phone. It has been confirmed that people that use small phone get the notification of results faster and easier. If you have been trying to check it on your phone and you have not been sent the message that contains your result, try to use small phone rather than smartphone. The second thing you can actually try is to check at the odd time. Maybe you can check probably late at night or very early in the morning. The rationale behind this is that, you know, like about more than 1.5 million candidates registered for this year JAMB. Imagine if maybe half of these candidates are trying to check results at a time. So it will be somehow congested on this particular system that is sending the result. So if you can try to check at the hot time, where probably a lot of candidates will be sleeping or busy with other things. For example, if you can wake up late at night to check it, a lot of people will be sleeping as at that time. And if you can wake very early in the morning, where people are engaging in morning activities, then you can also check it at that particular time, which has been confirmed that checking it at this odd time can facilitate you getting the results easily and even more faster. So the third thing is to know if the problem is from your side. Now, the problem can be from your side. Maybe you are checking the result when you don't have enough credits on your phone. Maybe you don't have up to 15 naira that will be deducted for the result to be sent to you. And the second thing is probably maybe you are checking it on the wrong SIM card. The results can only be checked on the SIM card that you use for the JAMB registration. So probably if you have been using any other SIM card to check these results, then it's time for you to know that you cannot get the result via any other SIM card, only through the SIM card that you use for the registration. So if you have tried all of this and none of it works for you, don't be panic. You can still check your result via the JAMB portal when it is released on the JAMB portal. And I'll be making a video on how to do that very soon on this channel. So don't forget to like this video like I said earlier, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Also, don't forget to share this video to other people so that it can benefit them as well. See you in another interesting one. Bye for now.